Wait, what is that thunder? It's your kid going up the stairs.
Yeah.
Hi guys, my name is Jen, and this is my channel.
The Tom is retarded.
Are you done? Because if you do it again, you're out.
Come on now.
Hi guys.
Come on now.
Hi guys, my name is Jen, and this is my channel Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning friend, welcome back. We're super excited to have every single one of you here. Today we are here to do a No Tag Tuesday, which means that we are answering tag questions, but we are not formally tagging anybody. I do have a list down below in the description of all the people who usually participate in this tag. If you would like to participate, let me know. I can add your name, or if you have a YouTube channel, I can add that down below so we can all see your answers. All right, so these are 10 random questions that were created by Doug, who is Joan's husband. And Joan has the YouTube channel, Joan's Pointed Plate. She is one of the channels linked down below, so make sure you go check her out. And big thanks to Doug for creating these questions for us.
Thanks, Doug.
Oh, and in case you want to know who these people are, this is my husband Steve and my daughter Ariana. There, now we can see everybody.
Yeah. All
right, are you guys ready?
We're ready.
Question number 1. If you could visit anywhere in the United States, where would it be?
Atlanta, Georgia.
Why?
Georgia.
They have the biggest aquarium in the United States.
Oh,
Yes.
wow.
Ariana likes her fish.
I want to say Montana.
No.
We're going to do this again.
Usually.
All right.
Come on,
Okay.
Patty.
Montana.
Why?
Never been there. Like to check it out.
You gonna ride horses?
Yes.
Oh yeah? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. I want to go to Alaska. Yeah, I want to go to Alaska. We've already discussed this. All right, question number 2. If you could visit anywhere in the world, where would it be?
A city in China that it starts with an A. I cannot pronounce it. It has the biggest aquarium in the world.
Oh,
It's
wow.
11.13 million gallons.
That's a big,
Wow.
that's a lot of fish.
It's a lot of water.
Oh, me. Any place in the world, let's see, where haven't I been that I want to go? Well, I never got to make it to Australia, so I'd say Australia.
That's where I want to go to.
Yeah.
Yep.
Supposed to, but, you know, whole 9/11 thing happened.
I will not be living with you when you go.
Question number 3. Who do you think is the world's most influential person?
Do I have to like them?
No.
Oprah.
Okay. Oprah is a big one. I like Oprah, though. Steve?
Most influential person, does it have to be like living, or is it going to be somebody that's...
Says the most influential person in the world.
Yeah, gotta go with Jesus.
That's who I'm sticking with, too. Question number 4. What was the worst movie you ever watched?
Chucky.
Chucky?
Worst movie I've ever watched? Well, there's been tons of them. Silent Night, Deadly Night. Pretty cheesy.
What was mine? I feel like there was a movie that used to just enrage me whenever it was on.
Highlander.
I didn't mind Highlander.
No, I thought you didn't like Highlander.
Die Hard.
No, I like Die Hard.
It is a good Christmas movie.
Old jokes.
Any war movie?
Yeah, I couldn't watch war movies for a long time after Steve got out of the Navy.
Yeah.
I'm better with him now. But
Yeah.
I couldn't, so.
Yep.
But I don't know, I mean, as far as the worst movie, I'm pretty open to that kind of stuff, so.
Yeah.
Sometimes I don't like the storylines, but I appreciate effort that people put into creating a movie, so I don't want to say they don't like it. All right, question number 5. How often do you listen to music?
Every day.
Every day, all the
Yep.
time.
Yep.
You too?
Oh yeah.
Me too.
Mm-hmm.
Even when I'm working and answering phone calls, I've got an earbud in this ear, listening to music to keep me mellow while I'm getting yelled at by patients. So.
Yep. I have my headphones on at work.
Yeah. Question number 6. Have you ever been in an accident and was it your fault?
I'm gonna assume they mean car accident. Well, I've been in one with Jordan, but I wasn't driving, and it was not my fault.
Okay.
There we go.
You?
Yes. And it was my fault.
It was?
But they didn't. They said it was okay.
Who?
At Jason's house when we're going up the hill. And
Oh,
we
that
slid
lady.
down.
That's not the only accident, because you get hit all the time in the city car.
Well, yeah, I've been rear-ended twice, but I mean nothing major.
I
Yeah.
have not ever been in an accident. Knock on wood.
What about the lawyer's car you bumped into?
Doesn't count. You know what, you big jerk? It wasn't an accident. I've hit 2 cars in my entire life, and they were both parked, and I just bumped into them. That's all. It wasn't an accident.
That's an accident.
I didn't even dent the car or scratch it, and he just laughed because I was crying.
Mm-hmm.
He said it was fine.
Yep. Wind your way out of that one.
Have you ever been admitted to the hospital?
No.
No,
No.
never.
Not today.
Yeah.
Not this year.
Right.
Check one off the
True.
calendar for not today.
Yeah.
I've been admitted once overnight. That's when I had appendicitis.
And I've only ever been admitted when I had my kids. That's it.
Yeah, that's true.
Okay. Question number 8. What would you do if you didn't have to work?
Technically, I don't make money yet, but I spend all day, every day baking.
Yes, she likes to bake. She would like to work. So she's kind of the opposite. Steve?
In the most awesome words of Peter Gibbons, absolutely nothing. I would
So
sit at home
how does that differ?
and do nothing.
I mean, you're a city worker. And also, you're not allowed to be at home unattended. He gets in the stuff.
No, I would build models all day long if I didn't.
We're just going
to
to have to move next door to Roy so he can babysit you if you're going to be home every day.
work.
I'll pick you up at 5. Yep.
Nope.
Yep, I can't trust you at home. You're going to Roy's.
Dad can be the
You're going to the sitters, Patty!
I stay home and build models. That's what I would do.
And if I could stay home, okay, I would not be home. If I didn't have to work, I'm pretty sure I'd be running errands and taking the kids all over the United States. Definitely not to Alaska, because that's where I'd want to go. I don't know. If I could stay home and do whatever I wanted, I would spend a majority of my time on YouTube, I think.
Okay.
I like this. It's my favorite hobby.
Awesome.
Yes, I am. Question number 9. What website do you visit the most?
I don't know if it counts as a website, but I visit Snapchat the most.
Snapchat?
Okay. Work, it would be infinitymobile.com. But personal, it would be YouTube.
YouTube.
Yeah, I would say so.
I'm on, if I'm not at work, because that doesn't even count. That's not a website, that's work. I would say, would it be YouTube, you think?
I would say it would be YouTube.
YouTube.
Mhm. Yep, YouTube all
Or
the way.
one of your shopping apps.
True. Number 10, what is your most used social media? See, that's why I was hesitant to say YouTube.
Yeah, but it's still a website though.
Yeah.
Snapchat.
Snapchat. So social media, it'd be like Facebook.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Mine, I guess, if it weren't YouTube, it would be Facebook.
Yeah.
And Instagram, because I talk to people on there, so.
Yeah, Facebook. Instagram.
Unless there's new filters on Snapchat.
Yeah, I do partake in Snapchat every once in a while because I'm pretty good at it.
Mm-hmm.
I'm funny.
Says who?
Me. So there was a filter on there this weekend that was a mouse that was chasing a piece of cheese, and it like put your face in the piece of cheese. So I sent a Snapchat to my son once of me screaming at the top of my lungs because I was a piece of cheese that was running from the mouse. All right, guys. Well, that is all 10 questions. Doug, these were awesome. Thank
Yes.
you so very much. We managed to bicker just a little bit.
Yeah.
A little bit.
Yeah.
We'll still have to talk about dropping you off at the sitters.
No,
Yes.
I'm gonna stay home and build models.
You can build models at Roy's house.
I don't think Roy would let me build models at his house.
I totally thought that was Ariana farting.
No, that was my feet stuck to the
No.
stool.
I wondered how you were sitting. I wondered how you were sitting there doing that with no expression on your face.
No,
I couldn't make eye contact with somebody if I were busting grumpies like that. Anyways,
Yep.
guys, that's it. Thank you very much, Doug, for creating those questions for us, and thank you to Joan for setting this up. All right, guys, like I said, if you want to answer the questions, leave your answers down in the comment, or let me know if you have a channel, and I will add it to our list. I hope you guys have a fantastic week, and until next time, keep smiling. Bye.